Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Tech. Viewers, hope everyone is doing great. In front of you right now, Canon printer. The model number is MG3040. Printer is in ready state now. Okay, no issue with that right now. For example, if I will give the print command or copy command, what happened? See. Okay, I will give the copy command. Start scanning. Okay viewers, you can see it's gave an error. The arrow light is flashing 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. This arrow light is flashing. Actually this error is regarding to paper jam error. Okay, it's not taking the paper. Okay, for the example, if I press again copy, look, it took the paper but not reading. Okay, it's giving paper jam error. Today we will fix this problem. Stay with me, watch the complete video. Why it's this printer is not feeding the paper, and sometimes it's feeding, it's getting stuck inside in the feeder roller. Okay, watch the complete video to learn how to fix this problem. Turn it off. Remove the power from the printer, guys. I would like to tell you, first of all, this Canon printer, any Canon printer, not same HP. In HP there is one cover down over here. You can open the cover and you can remove any jamming thing inside, or the thing is causing to unable to feed the paper. You can remove it from here, but in Canon there is nothing here, so you cannot remove anything from here. You cannot check. You have to open this printer, disassemble this printer all. But before we are going to disassemble, I will tell you a technique. If you having Canon, and before you disassemble, what to do, what you can check first. Open this top cover, okay, with the help of flat screwdriver. Okay, with the help of flat screwdriver, I will tell you what things you need to check. Because you can see these small rolls over here. Hold on. Okay, these small rolls, okay, these are the rollers rotating on the big roller shaft here, and the paper feed from the behind and pass by here, pass from here. So I will individually one by one lift up with the help of flat screwdriver and check is there anything down over these rollers. With the help of flat screwdriver I will open it. Okay, so one hand I am doing this. That's okay. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, as you can see, there is a small cotton bud. It's left behind. There is a small cotton bud over here. Look, there was small cotton bud right down there. Okay, if we will, you can see this small cotton bud was down over here. Okay, with the help of flat screwdriver you can find things, anything stuck down over here. Okay, we will remove this fix this top cover back, front cover, and we will connect the power cord and check. Any Canon printer, if you have any Canon printer, you can check with this method, so it will feed the paper. And turn it down. Okay, press the copy button. Check it's feeding or not. Before it was not feeding. Okay viewers, you can see it started feeding the paper. You will see now it's feeding complete. Look, there is no more jam. Okay, only this cotton bud was the issue. It was right down on the rollers. So try to clean these rollers with the help of flat screwdriver. If anything is getting stuck inside, just remove it and your printer will work fine. And the same method will apply on any kind of Canon printer. Okay guys, if you have any question, ask me in comments. I will reply your questions.